Chapter 5. Our clothes. Difficult words. 1. Cotton. 2. Sweat. 3. Leather. 4. Wool. 5. Fibers. 6. Fabric. 7. Cotton balls. 8. Wrinkle. 9. Silk. 10. Silkworm. 11. Synthetic. 12. Nylon. 13. Polyester. 14. Natural. 15. Uniform. 16. Overall. 17. Dry cleaning. 18. Mothballs. 19. Moth. 20. Silverfish. Clothes for work. Write the jobs related to the clothes. 1. White coat. Doctor, scientist. 2. Suit, blazer with tie. Businessman, officer. 3. Yellow helmet with overalls. Construction workers, factory worker. 4. Black coat. Lawyer, judge. 5. Brown uniform. Police officers, peon. 6. Bulletproof jacket. Army. 7. Orange dhoti. Priest. Looking back. 1. Your mother is knitting a woolen sweater for you. In what kind of weather will you wear it? Answer. I will wear the woolen sweater in winter or in cold weather because it don't allow the body heat to escaping and helps to keep me warm. 2. Fill in the blanks. 1. Cotton and wool are natural fibers. 2. Nylon and polyester fibers are synthetic fibers. 3. Clothes made from synthetic fibers do not absorb water. Exercises. A. Multiple choice questions. 1. Which of these is not a natural fiber? A. Cotton. B. Wool. C. Nylon. D. Silk. Answer is C. Nylon. 2. Cotton clothes are worn in summer because they absorb sweat. 3. Which fiber do you get from sheep? A. Cotton. B. Wool. C. Silk. D. Polyester. Answer is B. Wool. 4. What do factory workers wear to work? A. Uniforms. B. Overalls. C. White coats. D. Jackets. Answer is B. Overalls. 5. The process of cleaning clothes without water is called dry cleaning. B. Match the words in the two columns. 1. Leather. Animal's skin. 2. Nylon. Fiber not obtained from plants or animals. 3. Doctor. White coat. 4. Soldier. Tough uniform. C. Look at these clothes and write down the kind of weather in which they are worn. First figure is a woolen jacket, so can be used in winter. Second figure is a raincoat, so used in rainy season. Third one is a cotton dress, so used in summer. D. Name the following. 1. A piece of clothing that prevents us from getting wet when it rains. Raincoat. 2. The insect that makes silk fibers. Silkworm. 3. Fibers that not from plants or animals. Synthetic fibers. 4. Single piece clothes often worn by factory workers. Overalls. 5. Clothes worn by school children of the same school. Uniform. E. Answer the following questions. 1. Why do people living in hot places wear cotton clothes? Answer. People living in the hot places wear cotton clothes because cotton clothes can absorb the sweat and allow movement of air. This makes us feel comfortable in a hot weather as the sweat can evaporate, cooling down our body. 2. What kinds of clothes do people living in cold places wear? Why? Answer. People living in cold places wear dark woolen clothes, fur and leather. These clothes do not allow the body heat from escaping and helps to keep us warm. Dark colored clothes help to absorb heat. 3. How should silk and woolen clothes be stored? Answer. Silk and woolen clothes are not worn in every weather, so they should be stored carefully in boxes along with mothballs and dried neem leaves. 4. Why do we wear clothes? Answer. We wear clothes to A. Protect ourselves from different weather conditions. B. Protect ourselves from insects, animals and dust. C. Look smart and be comfortable. 5. Write the difference between natural and synthetic fibers. Answer. Natural fibers. A. They are obtained from plants and animals. B. They wrinkle easily. C. They are comfortable to wear. Examples: wool, cotton. Synthetic fibers. A. They are obtained from chemicals. B. They do not wrinkle easily. C. They are not comfortable to wear. Examples: nylon, polyester. Higher order thinking skills. 1. Can raincoats be made of cotton, silk or wool? Why or why not? Answer. Raincoats cannot be made from cotton, silk or wool as these are natural fibers that absorb water and do not get dry easily. For raincoats, synthetic fibers are used that are waterproof and keep us dry on a rainy day. 2. The police also wear uniforms. Can you say how that helps? Answer. The police wear uniforms so that the public recognize them easily. In case of an emergency, person can go and ask for help by just looking at the uniform.